Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to change the connectors in a diagram in your Google Drawings. So in this Google Drawing, I don't have a diagram, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Insert, choose Diagram, and then, I don't know, pick Hierarchy or something. And I'm just going to click on one to have it inserted. Doesn't really matter. So inside this diagram, there's these little text boxes, and they're connected using these lines. Now notice, if I click on one, it highlights only a specific part. Right? That is considered a connector. And now that I have it selected, if I click on Format, I can change the connector to either be a straight connector. Now notice that that connector is just a straight from the top of this one to the bottom of this one. Or I can make it a curved connector. Now it's curvy. The ones with the right angles, those are called elbow connectors. If I highlight that again or select it and I go to Format, I can also reroute it. And now it changes from the side of this one to the side of this one. But if I don't like that, I can also select the connector itself and just move it to there, the top center. And maybe I can move this one to here. If I see this little yellow diamond in the middle, that means I can adjust the curvature of the connector. And so what this does is this gives me a way to control exactly how these little connectors will appear between the different levels of the hierarchy in this case, or whatever type of chart I have in my Google Drawing.